Asch carried out a study on conformity in 1956. He recruited 123 male university students and told them he was going to be testing visual discrimination. They were told that they needed to compare a standard line against comparison lines, and he placed his participants into a group. In the group, there was only one real participant, and the other participants were actually actors or confederates. When participants were asked which of the comparison lines matches the standard line, confederates would give the wrong answer. In this example, the standard line matches C, but you can see that the confederates say that B matches the standard line, and the real participant is thinking, what's going on here? Some of the participants would say that the standard line matched B even though they could tell that it didn't. They wanted to go along with the majority. On the 12 critical trials, participants conformed with the incorrect responses given by the confederates on 1/3 of the trials. But there was 1/4 of participants who never conformed on any of the critical trials. At the end of the study, Asch debriefed participants and explained to them what the study was about. He told them that he wasn't testing visual discrimination, but in fact he was testing conformity. And he asked them whether they realized they were giving the wrong answers. Many of the participants said that although privately they knew that it was the wrong answer, they went along with the majority opinion in order not to look foolish. There are some problems with Asch's study, though. One criticism is it may not be generalizable to our current time. When Perrin and Spencer replicated Asch's study in the UK in the 1980s with science and engineering students, they found only one conforming response out of a total of 396 trials. However, in a subsequent study, with youths on probation as participants and probation officers as confederates, conformity was much higher. And this shows that people are more likely to conform when the consequences of not conforming are higher. Another problem with Asch's study is that it was a laboratory experiment and it involved an artificial task. People are not usually asked to judge line lengths in everyday life, so the study has low ecological validity. Another issue with the study is that there was 1/4 of participants who never conformed. And those participants who did conform only did so on 1/3 of the trials. So the study could be used to show people's desire to be independent rather than conformity.